What's the longest period you've gone without using any heat tools on your hair? So guys, it's finally time to blow dry my hair after over 9 months. The last time I used any heat related to blow drying, flat ironing was last year December. Yeah, so finally baby girl is going to be blow drying her hair, and I already showed you guys what I'll be using. My Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner and my Mega Growth Hair Serum, then my clove oil for my scalp. So this is me applying the leave-in generously part by part, and making sure that it gets to every part of the hair. And you guys, look at this hair that baby girl just relaxed. Anyways guys, welcome back again to the channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you already know you're the best. Please don't forget to like the video and also share, comment, most importantly share. Okay, share to your loved ones, your family, your friends that might be interested in content like this. And also, if you're yet to subscribe so you can join the family, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. So this is me using my hand to make sure I, as I'm blow drying it, I'm also using my hand to finger the tangle easily because the hair is still wet. I cannot go over it with a comb. So after the blow drying for a while and it's already looking like it's almost dried, I applied my hair serum. So I'll be trying out another hair serum because this Mega Growth serum seems to be very thick, like very thick, and I think it weighs down hair. But so that's why it's good to use little amount of it. But I still want to try. There's a particular hair serum that I want to give a try. So if this one finish, I'll buy that hair serum that I've been eyeing it, like I've been eyeing that hair serum. So when I get it, you guys will definitely see it. So I apply it properly to the hair, and I went over again with the blow dryer. Also take note, this particular hair dryer that I use is a professional one. It has the cool setting and the hot setting. So I use more of the cool setting, then sometimes I switch to the hot setting, but basically 80% of this blow dryer was cool setting. So once the hair is already about 80% to 90% dried, I went over with my white tooth comb to gradually comb it out from the root, from the tip of the hair towards the root of the hair. So this is how I blow dry my hair if I'm going to be blow drying it. So I do more of the air drying method because I'm making sure I stay away from too much heat. Okay, too much heat is not for me. I just enjoy it and I prefer the air drying method. There's not like, I mean, once in a while you should use the heat, especially when it comes to steaming of your hair when you have low porosity. Steaming, using the heat steaming cup helps a lot to allow the treatment to enter into the hair follicle easily. So sometimes the heat is necessary. So yeah, after the blow drying process, I use my clove oil to massage and apply, like apply on my scalp and also massage it. And then this is me just trying to brush the hair and to see what it looks like basically. And this is what we have. You I don't know, you guys. This is what my hair is looking like. This hair is super thick. Like this hair they carry me, they go where I don't know. The way it thick, I no just know. Like I even had to stop using the clove oil for some time because the clove oil, oh my god, it makes hair very very thick. It makes hair very very thick. So if you're struggling with thinning of hair, then you should try clove oil. Okay. So this was the hair breakage that I had after all the process, and yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.